Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on this episode of Bring That Mercedes Back from the Dead, front tires, rear tires, 4 tires, I finally did it. I finally was able to get the car to Discount Tires to put new rubber on there. And these are the 195/70/14, and they're barium. These are the least expensive tires that I could find. Haven't put the hubcaps on because I've got to take the wheels back off to do some more brake bleeding. However, I can tell you, $39 a pop. There was a Labor Day sale just happened to have, so it's another 10% off. And I'm very, very happy that I finally have some safe tires on the Mercedes. I can tell you that it didn't make the car any faster. It didn't make the car handle any better. It handles like a 123 body. But I can tell you that the car is smooth as glass, which surprises me, like really smooth. In one of the videos that we're going to be doing, we're going to have to do the lower ball joints on the front. I have already done the tie rods 10 years ago, but we're going to do the lower ball joints. I've got to do the axle shafts. The shocks look like they're probably original. They need to be replaced. The point to all this is that the car is still very stable and it's very smooth. So I don't know anything about this tire. I just needed to get some really good, new rubber on here. So, it is what it is. This is not my daily driver right now, but yeah. Very pleased. It's, feels like a new tire. So I don't know what kind of wet handling, what kind of mileage as far as miles warranty it's going to have. As you can see under the bottom there, the axle boots from driving it have taken a dump. So I've got to pull the car out and clean this floor. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys. Finally did it. I was going to video it, but I couldn't. Logistically, I didn't have time to do it. So, but yes, we will go for many test drives. What I am planning on doing next is I've got to straighten the vacuum out with this transmission. I can't keep shifting this transmission manually like it is. It's not working. So, I mean, it works, but it's just a pain in the butt. So we got to get that transmission. The lines, everything up here is new. The vacuum's right. I got to test that VCV valve, and the modulator is holding perfect vacuum. It's just shifting too quick because the vacuum is not right to the modulator. So we're going to lots more videos to come. Hope you guys aren't getting tired of these. We got to get the miracle paint out and take this battery out. I've got a used tray, and we've got to repair the rust hole that's down there with that and some fiberglass. But that is definitely not priority right now. Priority is to get it to where it's a good, safe driver. Anyway, guys, I know everybody is happy that I won't continue to delay putting this tires and things off and complaining about it. So it's doing good. I'll give you more updates as I get more driving time, and hopefully soon we're going to be able to start buffing on the Mercedes and get it to shine. Anyway, thank you guys for your subscribership. If you have not subscribed, please do so. There's a little bell icon next to the subscription button. If you press that, you'll be notified as soon as I upload new content, and I will see you on the next video.